Imagine clicking on a YouTube video, watching it for 30 seconds, and bam! You make money. I just want you to take a look at all of these YouTube videos right here, and you can watch them for 30 seconds and you're gonna get paid. Here are some of the payment proofs. As you can see here, $10, $50, $20, $5, 75 US dollars, and they're literally just pages and pages of real payment proofs. Now I'm super excited to share with you these 5 amazing websites to get paid by simply watching YouTube videos. So here's how much money you can earn from this. If you get started on just one video website, you can make about $18 per hour. And when you're working on 3 websites, you can earn $50. When you're working on 5 different websites to watch videos, you can earn up to $130 per hour. So it's going to be very important for you to watch until the end and learn about all of these 5 websites to maximize your earnings. And don't worry, because all of these websites are 100% legit and are absolutely free to join, and is available worldwide. Also, don't forget that I'll give you some special bonus tip that allows you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people, so make sure you stick around and watch this video all the way to the end. Now before we go into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the brand new videos. Let's say, for example, you're gonna go to the search bar. When you're typing this keyword winter travel, you'll be able to find a lot of videos that you can watch just like usual. But I want to show you 5 websites that allow you to watch simple YouTube videos just like this one right here, and you could be making a lot of money online just like all of these guys from different countries. So make sure you stay tuned and learn about all of these 5 websites before you go on and try them out yourself. So the first website that I want to show you today is right here in our screen. Later on, I'll post the link of this website, so don't miss out on that. You can see here they have over 700,000 members and have established since 2007. So you can basically earn cash online by viewing different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly, watching videos, and over 20,000 payments already sent out to people from all countries in the world. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just click on this button right here where it says sign up, and now you're gonna come on to this page where you can see here sign up, it's free. Now you're gonna put in your email address, confirm your email, put in a password, confirm your password, full name and username. You can just put whatever you want, and gender, just click on this to select male or female, and your date of birth, and right over here on this section which says country, you can see when I click on this down arrow, you can see that they are accepting people from all countries in the world. And I'm just curious where you're coming from watching this right now. Let me know down in the comments section below so that I could create more videos for your region in my future videos. Now from here, how did you hear about them? You could just type in YouTube and click on this, I'm not a robot, and then you can just go read the privacy policy and their terms and conditions, and you can register for a free account. And from there you could just watch a simple YouTube video just like this for about 30 seconds, sometimes 60 seconds. Now, a 30-second video will pay you less money and a 60-second video will pay you better. Now, what I usually do is that I'll just mute the video, just turn off the volume of the video, because I just let it play in the background without actively watching it. So that's actually a very cool tip that you could use as well, and usually I'll just open up multiple tabs as you can see here. I'll just open up one video and watch another video as well. So by doing that, you can essentially make more money in much lesser time, and one of the things that I do is that I also use my phone and computer, both devices, to watch different videos, and that could speed up the earnings as well. By the way, just like what I said earlier, this website is called ucubes.com. Just type in ucubes.com and now you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. So the only way we can cash out on this website is actually through PayPal. You can receive PayPal money simply watching videos. So let's move on to the next website. AppNana is basically an app you can download on your iOS or your Android phone. Say for example, if you're using Android, we can go on to Google Play Store and we can search for AppNana free gift card. And then you should be able to find the logo that looks like this. And this is where you can earn gift cards and earn cash by simply watching videos. So this is basically a free app where we can actually watch different videos and earn nanas. Get nanas points, and that's where we can convert your nanas into actual money or gift cards. And when we look at the review, they have an average of about 500,000 people leaving reviews and over 4.2 stars, which is quite good as an app. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.